In the spirit of Yom Kippur, one of Judaism's holiest days, one U.S. group is helping you atone for your sins electronically. eScapegoat is an app that allows you to post your sin on a virtual goat, a loose reference to a tradition in the Torah. Once you hit submit, the goat is sent into the wilderness. More than 7,000 people have submitted their sins, like this one on my screen here. And the app's creators are posting the best confessions on Twitter at @sinfulgoat. And speaking of atoning, web users are calling on the owners of a bar in China to consider doing just that. As the blog Kotaku reports, the bar in Shenzhen City hosted a video game costume party on the anniversary of the 9/11 attack on the U.S. Replicating the game Counter-Strike, some attendees dressed as American soldiers, while others dressed as so-called terrorists. The bar's management told Kotaku they picked that date to draw in more people. It seemed like the right theme for this party. It was fun. But some online were not impressed. Joe tweets, "A 9/11 party, that is so disrespectful." And finally, we head to Sweden, where activists are preparing for mass rallies Saturday against what they call Afrophobia. The planned protest follows a Sunday night attack of a man and his child in Malmö, and what police say was a race-based hate crime. Our thanks to Stream community member Adam, who alerted us to the news and writes, "We're fed up with this hatred, racism, and violence. Enough." Will you be at the protests? We'll be following this story, so send us your pictures and your updates using #AJStream.